So top things to get organised for your freezer if you want to batch all your sort of meals or all your snacks or stuff in advance is to take over a bit of the fridge. This shelf at the moment is mine. It's got all my cottage cheese, total yogurt. It's got some meals, like this is Batch Lady chili. So of course this is low calorie, really easy, the same recipes you always get, so you can, it's a really low calorie recipe. If you look on Slimming World or Weight Watchers, they make it exactly the same as we make it, really, so you can easily do that. There's another dip that I'm going to show you here in another week. It's like a salsa. Baby Bells. If you buy Baby Bell Lights, you can take something like, say, my Hasselback chicken that you'd usually put cheddar cheese in, and you can cut through a Baby Bell instead, and it's going to make it lower calorie and healthier, okay? And always things like bits of chicken and stuff, so it's good to have your own shelf. I can now come and put all my jars that I've just made in there and really make sure that no one else touches them, because nothing worse than that. Right, in your freezer, let me move you around. Okay guys, we're in the freezer, okay, and one of my top tips is if you get a low calorie fat-free yogurt, okay, I've got a few back here. If you leave them a few hours in the fridge, they go like ice cream, okay? So really, really good, dead easy. I often buy these in packs of 6 and I don't want to eat 6 of them, so 3 in the fridge, 3 in the freezer, and you can either have them like ice cream or you can simply just take them out once your 3 are done and you can have them. And then you can choose nice ones as well, like this Miller Lite one is an Irish coffee. Now when it comes out, it's solid. So if you want it straight away, then you need to wait about 4 hours and then it's frozen. But if you take it out and it's solid, put it on your counter, wait about an hour, give it a mix round, and it is delicious, okay? I also like to, when you buy low calorie bread, do you notice, like I buy different bread for the kids, so then I buy this for myself. I don't want the kids to eat it, but because the likelihood of me eating a loaf when you're being really healthy and you're probably going to eat less carbs, is to just keep it in the fridge, okay? I used to section them into 2 slices each time and put them in a separate Ziploc bag, but I'm really trying to reduce my plastics as much as possible, so I just use the thing that it came in. It won't last as long as if it was in a Ziploc bag, but this will last sort of 2 weeks, so that's absolutely fine. And fajitas, which are also Slimming World friendly if you use Sainsbury's fajita mix, which I'll put a little thing up and show you what it looks like. If you use the Sainsbury's fajita mix compared to the other ones, it doesn't have any sugar in it and it is healthy for you. Okay, and now we're beeping, so very quickly, you can see I've done the same with the wraps. When you open your wraps, I've just put a piece of baking parchment in between each wrap so that they don't stick together. I can just take one out, make it for my lunch, and it's only one. It's going to last and I'm not going to have any food waste, and it means I can grab and go. And the same, I've got some sort of like Warburton's low calorie bagels here. I've got some in the bread bin. I'm not going to use them all. I may as well just freeze these ones, and then again, it's an easy breakfast or it's an easy lunch, okay? I hope you've enjoyed this. I really just wanted to say these are good top tips for staying organised. The more organised you are, the more you've got these grab and go things, then you will be able to just hopefully keep healthy eating. That's the way that I'm planning to try it. Okay, so we're back from the freezer. Now, this might be too long a video, so you might be watching this as a second part. So if it is, I do apologise. I think we might have had to put it into 2 parts. I may be a bit off more than I can chew in my January 1st video, but I very quickly just want to show you a couple of things that are really good as desserts. One of them is, if you were watching Instagram the other day, you'll see that Zara was making these. We're just reusing these plastic pots, and Zara was making them up from the little sachets, sugar-free jelly. Brilliant to make on a Sunday. They'll last about 5 days in your fridge if you don't put fruit in them. Just don't put the fruit in. If you put fruit in, they only last a couple of days and then they start to go a bit funny, so you're best to leave the fruit out. It's a sugar-free jelly. It's got 10 calories in it. I've just put some fruit in a little thing like this, and the kids love this, and so do I. If you feel like you really want to sort of treat and you're missing out on desserts and you've gone a couple of weeks of being really good, and you can add some low-calorie sweetener to this yogurt, but I never do because I just really like yogurt on its own. But at least you can sort of like have something like that, and it's fruit and it's you've got some low-calorie jelly, and you've got a bit of yogurt, and it really looks like a nice dessert. It's something that looks yummy to eat, and it's pretty healthy for you. So fruit and yogurt really, but looks like an amazing dessert. Okay, so my final top tip is if you like these sort of Cadbury's chocolate options and they're nice as a drink, I got this from somebody's Slimming the World website, and I will try to find out who it is because it's a girl who is brilliant. But this one is a mint, and I've just taken some of this total 0% fat yogurt. I've added in a scoop of the mint, and I now have this amazing sort of mint chocolate, almost a dessert you would think it was. You could put sweetener in it if you want, but I quite like it the tart way, but you can put some sweetener in it. And again, it's another dessert. It's, you know, I've just kept it in the actual tub so I can just grab it and go as well if I wanted to as a treat. So guys, I hope you managed to batch your low calorie, healthy living, whatever thing you're doing, and I hope this might have helped. Let me know, and I'll see you next Thursday. Take care, bye.